Hi everybody, my name is Pareen Narayan and I'm a cosmetologist. So obviously when I go around, people end up asking me only one question. How do we keep our skin and hairs healthy? Today, let me give you some tip only about your skin that will help you to get an even tone, good texture, a glow on your face. You need that. You need to follow the simple instructions that I am giving. And yes, people do ask me that is a woman and man skin different? Definitely it is different. But this ingredients, what I'm mentioning it to you right now, can be used by both of them. They are simple, they are easily available, and it's not complicated at all. Okay? Let me just tell you quickly about these ingredients now. The first thing, as we get up in the morning, what do? Boil milk. So before you boil your milk, take 1 spoon of milk. Apply it all over your face. And when I'm saying face, it is not this. It has to be this and this. Your face and neck both. Because going forward, when you are using this ingredient, your texture and complexion of both will become different if you are applying only on this. So the first rule in skin is, when anybody says apply it on your face, it is the face and the neck. You don't want that to be different, right? So milk is one thing. Second thing is curd. Take half spoon of curd. Mix a bit of a turmeric into it. Apply it as a face mask. 15-20 minutes, wash it off. Honey as a single ingredient. Best in antioxidants. It is a complete 360-degree nourishment to your skin. Once or twice in a week, apply that. If you have sunspots or black marks on your face, simple ingredient is potato. Take a piece of potato when you are peeling it. Apply it on your face. Tomato, your cucumber, everything. Take a slice of it. Apply it on your face. Wash it with normal tap water. Any ingredient you apply needs only 20 minutes to be absorbed by your skin. Okay? Coming back to fruits. I use it, frequently. Whatever I eat has its own nourishment. Why not apply it on your face? That can be oranges, your mosambi, your grapes, your watermelon, your papaya, your banana. Every ingredient, just take one piece of it. Whenever you are eating it, you eat 2 or 3 fruits in a day. Why not apply it on your face? So take a piece of it, apply it on your face, let it stay for 15-20 minutes, wash it off. Is it easy? Ingredients can't be this easy than that. It cannot go this easy than that. These are the list of things. Use it and let me know what you experience. But yes, एक चीज़ बता देती हूँ. Everything has its do's and don'ts into it. So, don't in this is, I have given you a list of ingredients. Use only one ingredient at a time. Since we are trying to know our skin and what suits us and what helps us to get a better skin, we need to use only one ingredient at a time. After a week or 10 days, we would exactly know the list of things that has worked for us and few things that has not worked for us. Because the things that do not work, when you apply it within 2 to 3 minutes, your skin will feel a bit itchy or dry, or a red rash will come on your face, or acne will pop out on the same day itself. If that happens, that ingredient is not for you. Okay? So be very sure when you use the ingredient and we start introducing one thing at a time, that is when you would know what is the list at the end of the week that suits you. So we'll concentrate on what works for us and not on what does not work for us. So let's start one thing at a time, and in a week's time you share me your experience about how you feel. लेकिन डूज एंड डोंट्स ध्यान में रखना, फिर मत कहना मुझे कि आपने बताया नहीं, है ना? तो मेक श्योर दैट यू फॉलो दैट लिस्ट. बहुत ईजी है, ठीक है. डूज एंड डोंट भी बहुत ईजी है. रैश आता है, मत यूज करो. ग्लो आता है, कंटिन्यू यूजिंग इट, है ना. सो now what I expect from you is, I want to know your experience, that what is your experience at the end of 10 days about your skin and the changes that you experienced. Write it to me. Ask me questions if you have any, and I'll make sure that I reply you back. So this is Pareen Narayan from Bangalore, and I practice at Revive Aesthetic Clinic. I wish you all a very, very healthy skin and hair. And on the coming days, my next video would be on skin again, but with 2 ingredients. So if you tell me what suited you, I'll give you a second ingredient to mix it with it to give you a much better result. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself, your skin. Be healthy, wealthy, and wise. Bye bye.